Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to withdraw funds from Bitfinex. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bitfinex.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bitfinex if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the left, we have the account, sub-accounts, security notifications, interface, verification, affiliate reports, and a lot of things on the left side of the screen. Also in the top side, we have the trading and a lot of different things that type. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and withdraw funds from Bitfinex. So the first thing that you need to do is log into your Bitfinex account, which I already told you in the start of the video. Then you need to go to your wallet page and select withdrawals. After you have selected that and when there, you just need to go and choose the type of withdrawal you want to make: cryptocurrency, bank account, transfer tokens, or a Lightning network. Of course, then guys, select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. When you have selected the one that you want to withdraw, choose which of your wallets will be withdrawing from, and that's basically that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.